So that if the diameter is 10, the radius is 5. So just like during the chapter, you can put pi in your answers or you can put a decimal. But 4 times 5 squared is 100, so this would be 105 inches squared. So I might make the labeling worth a couple, like a point or so.
Like whether you put like squared or cubed and stuff.
Yeah, like put inches squared. So go ahead and label these.
Wait, what's it without pi?
It would be 314.
Okay, good.
Wait, how about? I just dumb.
Did you plug in 5 squared times 4?
No, I'm trying to do it in my head.
No.
It's not.
5 squared is 25.
Oh yeah.
And what's 4 quarters?
What's 4 quarters?
That is. See, my like family always does this to me, so. The two lines.
How many quarters does it take to make a knot?
I forgot to label this one. Let's just say it's feet or something. The one on the test actually is feet.
So.
Okay, so we're doing surface area of a. What shape is this?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. So if you look over there, surface area pyramid, it's that. Okay, remember I said this is probably the trickiest, right?
I forgot.
So what does the P stand for?
Perimeter.
Perimeter of the base. Perimeter means the distance around the base. 7.2 times 6.
43.
Well, yeah, 43.2. Okay, that's the perimeter. What did the cursive L stand for?
Slant high.
Which is
13.
13.
Timmy said it first.
Okay, plus, what's the capital B stand for?
Base.
Area of the base. And if the base is a hexagon, how would we find the area?
The bottom one.
1/2 apothem perimeter.
Oh, are you not gonna put that on the board?
No.
Oh, you dirty dog. You knew what you were doing. It's only what you do when your teacher a dirty dog because he knows.
So what's the apothem?
5. Wait, is that just for
Just for the base.
I'm just saying pyramids, like the 1/2
Yeah, it's over there.
Right, but I mean like the 1/2 AP, is that just for?
No, the 1/2 AP is for like regular pentagons, hexagons, octagons, those kinds of things.
So anything that's not normal.
Anything that's like beyond a rectangle or.
So yeah, not normal.
Okay, and the perimeter was this thing again, 7.2 times 6.
I was lost on the
Did you put subtracted?
388.
Oh.
388.8 is what you should have got. Feet squared.
Is it fine if like you find will it mess up on the calculator if like you do the parentheses first and then like put that number times those, you know what I mean?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. What if we like do the problem?
Because it's just a bunch of multiply and order multiplication doesn't matter.
What if we like do the problem right, but we just get like the wrong ones?
If you show all this, or something like pretty much the same as this, and get this wrong, you'll get almost all the credit.
You get almost the credit. Oh, like.
If you do this right, this is the important part. Like being able to push the right buttons on the calculator is not that important. But so if you show me that, that's most of the credit. I'll maybe take off a couple points. But. Okay. Next.
Oh, that's a cylinder.
Cylinder, yes.
Because I'm smarter.
Cylinders are easier because you don't have to like interpret what's the perimeter, what's the area of the base. You just use that formula. It's very specific.
Vernon, can you hum talk?
What?
Hum talk.
That is the weirdest thing I've ever heard before.
Wait, look.
So that's formula you should have found over there. What's the what's the radius?
4, 2.
What's 4?
4.
Because it only goes halfway. What's the height?
6.
6. So that is all you plug in.
85 inches.
Oh yeah, what's the 2 marks mean?
Inches.
Inches.
So
As
it's
Paxton told us.
Like I
Six
actually
and
remembered
2
it.
syllables.
I actually remembered it because of the 2 syllables thing.
Shit.
Wait.
Paxton, you wasted 2 minutes of our lives yesterday.
Wasted. What?
I remembered it.
Wait, what was one? What was one? again?
Now.
Okay, now I gotta watch the video. Now I gotta watch the video to hear
Inches.
Paxton's like
Feet.
amazing.
Wait. What's it in decimal? Or what's it with pi?
Also, you need to finish the assignment.
Yeah.
He said, yeah.
But Paxton's.
But
was-
now you have something to look for. I don't know if that was during the recording or after. Might have been, probably was during.
Hopefully.
It was during because we were trying to get me to press off.
Will I be able to hear him?
Okay, so what formula are we going to use for number 4?
Prism.
So prism. So it's surface area prism. Perimeter times height plus 2 base areas. So this one is a little harder because you have to find the perimeter. You have to find the base area. So it's not as straightforward. So how would we find the perimeter?
5 plus 5 plus 5.
Right. The base is a rectangle. Therefore, the perimeter is 12 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5.
30.
Oh, my dad's not mad.
34. The capital H, shh, hush. The capital H is what?
7.
The height.
7. Okay, plus 2. How do we find?
12 times 5.
Yeah, the base area, if it's a rectangle, is going to be 12 times 5.
358 meters squared.
How did I get 84?
5.
I didn't do it. 210 plus 20, 238 plus 120 is 2.
I was my dad.
Oh, you're right. I just ripped the wrong number.
You're just kissing my butt.
Ew. Yeah, they started kissing their butts. What is it? It's weird.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, find the volume. This is from here until the next directions.
I'm actually scared because I hate it when tests don't have a lot of questions.
Yeah, me too.
It's like,
But he gave us 8, so if you get it wrong, it's kind of your own fault.
well, like, yeah, but like, why is this mistake? It could bite you in the butt.
Like I said, you're not gonna get all the points taken off unless you just put nonsense or leave it blank.
What a silence. Emily would do something. No, Emily's probably just gonna write nonsense.
Honestly, on a history test, I know the answer was that you put mom in silence. He didn't count right.
Beat, beat.
He should have. He definitely should have. He made a mistake.
Okay, so well, one way you could get it wrong is using the wrong formula, like cylinder instead of sphere, or volume instead of surface area. But this is a pyramid, so that's the pyramid volume formula. How are we gonna find the area of the base?
8 times 6.
Is that 5 supposed to be the height?
Yeah, 5 would be the height of the pyramid, so that goes there.
Does that say times?
Yep.
It
Looks
says,
like a minus.
it's a heart for Valentine's Day.
Oh, it's a
So,
heart.
how was your Valentine's Day, Mr.
Get his name.
How was your date with your Valentine? Where'd you guys go?
I heard they went to Soho.
See, he's not denying it.
Alright.
You don't deny that you don't like
This, I think this one comes out at
Timmy.
H.
You don't deny you don't like Timmy.
What does one mark mean?
Feet.
Feet.
I don't want Timmy.
One syllable.
Feet
What's two symbols?
cubed.
What?
What's
Inches.
two
Because
symbols?
it's volumes.
Oh.
Yeah,
I really need to watch that.
Okay, volume is traced.
Volume is traced.
Volume is traced.
Okay, how do we find the volume of a rectangular prism?
Based on height.
Wait till they wander around.
Okay, how do we find the area of the base?
3 times 10.
So, rectangular prisms, length times width times height gives you volume.
Or a inch or meters.
Meters cubed.
Who even cares about?
Mr. Jordan, you know who Brock Purdy is?
Yeah, same thing.
They were interviewing him, and they were talking about, they asked him, what would you feel like if you didn't have any football? And he said he didn't care if he played football because he doesn't find his identity in football, rather in Christ. So,
And also Anna.
hmm?
Is it Anna Fry?
Also,
Bro, her nose
did you see
looks
that, like,
exactly
NBC?
like Brock's.
They were interviewing CJ Stroud, and he's like, oh, he like starts an interview.
Clayton has a crush on Anna
Fry. NBC edited that out.
that's crazy.
Alright, floating over
Wait,
here.
wait,
Oh my
No way you're
goodness.
still on this.
They're taking,
It was all three of us this time.
their notes include the drawings.
What are you drawing?
Bro, I was like
He's
never.
literally recording. Like
I'm,
what?
I'm not going back to watch the video.
That's your
How?
fault.
What happened to
No,
Clayton's
it's
girlfriend?
not.
Yes, it is. Womp womp.
She's gonna shut up.
Mr. Jordan, I'm being bullied in here. I think I need to go to the
Coach Con disappeared. I'm sorry.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly.
Alright.
Who do you think?
Yeah.
Whitley, I want you to take a big, wild, juicy
It
guess.
just sounded so unreal.
I want to be unreal.
I want to be elite because the elite skin's the best skin at the end of the season.
Alright.
I like you.
I'm not a nerd. What is the trapezoid?
What the heck are they?
Here.
It's just a
rhombus. It's a rhombus.
No, it's
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Oh, are we gonna have to find like the triangle?
Stop. Thanks.
It's just a sphere, like how
Are we gonna have to find the triangle?
Should.
No.
No.
Yeah, but that's not a triangle, that's a sphere.
It's talking about number 8.
Yeah, guys, bunch of jerks.
Whitley,
drop
you do
it.
not have what it takes.
You think I should be a welder?
Jaden.
No.
I don't think welding is your calling field.
I would not hire you.
I could draw someone welding.
Yes.
I could draw someone.
Yeah, and that's gonna get you far.
We all.
Yes, it is. Well, you gotta learn how to draw.
Is there supposed to be like a?
2 days in college, and I'm 3 lectures behind. There's this guy.
Okay, so for spheres,
4 over 3 times pi times 7 cubed.
alright, pretty straightforward. 4/3 pi r
Crazy
cubed.
too.
So let's see, what did that come out to? 343 times 3.
Where would you do that?
909 plus 120.
I didn't think about it for a second. 2
Was it 1023 over 3?
1,372 over 3. 1,436.8.
0.8.
Like,
Mr. Jordan, is the shape tomorrow gonna be exactly like 8? Cause I'm pretty
They're
stuck on
36.
that one.
Pretty much.
It's 1,430.
Okay, what's the, what is the shape on number 8?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Yeah, trapezoidal prism.
That's what I
Oh, so we have to remember the trapezoid formula?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
8 plus
You
12
dirty
divided by 2.
dog. Oh boy. Is that the diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 over 2?
No.
No, that's base
No.
1 plus
8
base 2
plus
over 2
12
times the height.
divided by
Right.
2 times 6
I sound so upset when you said that.
times
Okay.
9. What's the 7 for?
Yeah, so the base area, 7's just to throw you off. The base area is the area of a trapezoid. So what's the difference between this little h and the big H?
The big
Height
H
and area
is
of
the
height.
big
It's
height
for the base.
for the
Okay.
for
Like
3D
the front
formula.
side.
Right, this is the height of the base,
I feel like my eyes are
The
full.
2D.
which would be 6. What would the height of the,
9.
right, the height of the prism is
See?
9.
Where's our big H?
You think you got one takes
Daniel,
me a
were you
lot
not
more.
listening?
I just said it.
Well, there's like 2 H's.
Yeah, I just talked about it. So, the base 1, what's base 1 and base 2?
The
8 and 12.
12 and 8.
8 and 12, the bases of the trapezoids.
Tell you.
Okay, multiply that times the height of the trapezoid,
6.
6. Okay, that's the area of the trapezoidal base. That's the capital B. So what we're missing is the height of the prism. So if the trapezoid is our base, what's the height of the prism?
9.
9. 6 is the height of the trapezoid. This is the trapezoid.
Okay.
But the height of the prism itself, if this is the base, the prism's height is 9.
Okay.
So that, we need 9 right there.
Mr. Jordan,
I
are you on
see.
Real in Fortnite?
I don't think he cares.
Mr. Jordan, yesterday I took helium and started saying welder quotes. I have a video of it, it's so funny.
It was a lot.
Willie was there.
It was funny.
Can you go down like a little tiny
I
bit?
ate Chick-fil-A yesterday.
Thank you.
A lot of us did.
Yeah. But I'm happy.
I didn't.
Require you to go to Chick-fil-A or something?
No.
That was like, that probably was like it was trying to like,
Hudson
I was
maybe.
in like a 3D movie, but like I didn't know what to focus on. You know what
I
I'm
didn't
saying?
get to go to Chick-fil-A.
Sorry.
Sorry.
9,000. Can you go down a little bit more, Mr.
Wait.
Jordan?
Is the 30 foot like half of it or all of it in that one?
What do you think?
Bro.
No, I actually can't see it.
What do you
No,
think?
actually, Mr. Jordan,
What-
please, just tell me the
What do you
answer.
think?
Okay, I put it right in the middle,
You think this
and
is
there's a
nice
line
and
all the way
see
across, so what does it mean?
It's the diameter.
It's-
Diameter.
What's diameter mean? It means it goes
It's the whole thing.
whole thing.
Okay, thank you.
You're not gonna make it very
Yesterday, when me, Forrest, and Hudson were leaving Walmart, we saw Kane Foreman and another Copanian. They were walking into the exit.
You should have asked him how basketball was going.
I dapped them up and everything.
That's rude.
No, that's what it is. That's what.
Yeah, Tim, that's mean. It's not Christ like. That's not Christ like.
What if that happens to us next year?
Exactly, Timmy. How would you feel, Timmy?
So I'm not playing.
Timmy.
And shut up to me.
You're not playing next year?
Class.
No!
That's sad.
I'm just joking.
He's made like 3 threes this year. He's like, I'm done now.
You should retire your jersey.
We'll hang it up in the gym.
Alright.
I was like, yo, what's up? I'm like, boy, dap them up.
I can't believe Xander made 3s this year.
He did.
Yeah, he's made 2 or 3.
Yeah.
I can't believe he
I
actually.
can't believe Jarrett shot 12 threes.
He shot like
Made
12.
this
Xander's,
Yeah, he shot 12.
Xander's probably got the highest shooting percentage in the team. Because he's only shot like 4 and he's made 3. While the rest of our team is like 0 for 50.
What was y'all's shooting percentage the other night?
Like 10.5.
And we still won by 40.
That's pretty bad. You guys,
Is that 19 or 14?
you guys basically live off your defense. You get a lot
Mr.
of
Jordan, Mr.
easy
Jordan.
shots off of
Is that
steals.
19 or 14 on the cone?
This is 14. Okay. So what is the radius on number 9?
Pi. 30, 15, 15, 15.
Radius is 15 because the diameter is 30. Let's see, what is that? 900 pi? 9,000 pi. Well,
Big and
oh, because it's squared. Never mind.
Somebody got in trouble today.
Hey.
I wonder who.
Not saying.
Without pointing any fingers.
It's because Bob coming in here and getting on to y'all about stealing phones, even though it wasn't y'all.
I'm like,
That was so funny.
It actually was. Just kidding.
Okay, so for the pyramid, we're using that formula. So how would I find the area of the base on this one?
7 times 7.
The fact that I already know who Landon was is hilarious.
Wait, we only have like 5 more questions.
Emily, shit.
Roman, shut up.
Roman learned a valuable lesson today. People get offended if you keep touching them without their consent.
That's crazy.
What?
That's grown laughing.
Roman, what?
Some people
First
just
thing is what?
He's been touching Landon's butt all year.
20 money.
The man that this is up.
Landon begging for mercy and for stop.
Bro, that's not what happened, bro.
He's like, please,
Dude, Landon has been getting really mad
he
though.
wanted to fight you.
Yeah, he was like ranting to me, and he was like, that's how he's gonna get punched in the face because I am not dealing with it anymore. He's been doing this for so long.
Bro. He's a weak.
Roman's just on the other side, like, you see this?
He got really mad at me the other day because I didn't put an equal sign on the end of the
That was so funny.
equation.
He was like, I can't solve this. And Lex was like, what? He's like, it needs an equal sign right here. And he like corrected it and it was still wrong. Like, oh no, he's supposed to solve it.
Okay, on 11, we got a cone, so it's 1/3 pi r squared h. So what's the r?
7.
7, not 14. So 1/3 pi times 7 squared times 22. That one doesn't come out very nice.
154 over 3.
322.5.
That's not what I got. I got
No, it should be bigger than
I
that.
got 1078 over 3 pi
I got 322.
Jimmy was wrong.
meters cubed.
I think you missed the square button. Meters cubed.
Is it what's it with that width pi? Is it like 322.5?
Should be close to
Yes.
over 1,000. Like 1,200 maybe. I don't know.
Man, I'm dead.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead.
Is this all we're doing on the test? Because this is
It's not all you're doing.
good.
Bro, why does
Why are you laughing? There's no joke there.
It looked like it was hilarious.
It's because Mr. Jordan is technically saying he hates me.
Bro, Emily laughs at anything and it's
She's literally laughing right now.
Shut up.
Or what is funny?
That's because she's
Emily.
Please explain to me
He's
what's
not embarrassed. I don't
Emily.
know.
Laugh if
Dog water bowl.
you Emily.
Bro, what was it from?
Emily. Laugh if you like Timmy.
Emily, you have to know the entire class.
She's shaking in her boots.
Emily, you, oh, she just laughed. She just laughed. She just
I'm
laughed.
not.
She just laughed.
Jimmy is your lucky day.
I think there's some problem with what we're doing right now.
Timmy. Emily has to go the entire class without laughing or else she likes Timmy.
Okay, deal.
Not whoever laughs.
Somebody make her laugh.
Skibbity toilet.
I hate you.
Skibbity twitty.
Skibbity toilet.
Hush,
Skibbity
hush, hush.
Hey Emily.
You're so skinny.
Okay, 12. So the trapezoid problem, number 2 and number 12, I'm kind of expecting some people to miss.
What?
I said wait to get in.
Oh, definitely.
1/2.
Try, John.
Someone tickle her.
Okay, hush. What shape is, girls? What shape is this?
Alright, triangle, prism.
It's a triangular prism.
Triangular.
Yeah, so it's
like the beat.
base times height. So how are we gonna find the area of the base if it's a triangle? What's
You
the
have to do
base?
the 60.
10.
You have to do the 30, 60, 90.
No, not a 30, 60, no.
Wait, do we do
How do we
like
find the-
V1?
How do we
6
find the area
times
of the
8
triangle?
over 2.
Right. If you use 6 as the base, 8 is the height, or vice versa. Because they make 90-degree angles. So if 6 is your base of your triangle, 8's the height. So that, and remember on triangles, you have to divide by 2. So this would be the area of the triangular base. Multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. Okay, what's the H in this problem? 12. The height of the prism. Let's see, it's 24 times 12, 288.
I'd say that's one of the hardest ones. Really?
Hey Emily.
Chicken butt.
She put water in her mouth so she wouldn't laugh.
She's definitely gonna spit it out. Watch.
That'll make a joke.
Dude, I used to think college.
Instead of pasta, she said not pasta.
Corey, you see that big buff guy going in front of the girls in the front row?
Yes.
Oh, that thing was scary, bro. I was scared.
That thing,
Guys after, because they were
Yeah.
talking to us,
that thing was scary.
I didn't even hear any of them talking.
But I didn't even realize that
He was being more distracting than they were.
Bro, Corey, you know where he works?
so.
IT. He's a tech person,
Really?
and he's that shredded. Have you seen his wife?
Yeah.
She's shredded.
She's
Have you
jacked.
seen their son?
No.
He's tiny. He's tiny. He's like 9,
Oh.
but he's tiny.
And
I don't know how.
Because they work out.
I don't know how they're both so shredded and he's so tiny.
What's the 8.5 for?
Maybe they have like a
He
big
had a lot of
old
roid
switch.
rage last night.
Maybe like when they reached like 12, they just like leveled up. Like
You would think the kid would turn out like Archer. Born with abs.
Yeah, bro, Archie came out of the womb with abs.
He came out of the womb.
Just 'cause he doesn't have any
breastplate. Bro,
body
look at Italy,
fat.
bro. She's showing off the abs so hard. Look at her. Look at her, bro.
Did you know that when I came out of the womb,
No,
I
but
was
these things
jacked.
is huge.
Ow!
I was like the buffest. I was
She
the
didn't
buffest
die.
baby.
Bro, Italy goes,
It was 07.
I was trying to.
oh, she's laughing. She's laughing. She's laughing. I caught her. I got her.
No, nobody heard what I said exposing Whitley.
What?
You think
Forrest likes Whitley. Yeah, Whitley likes Forrest.
Where did that come from? I was minding my own business,
Wait,
messing with Emily.
She didn't deny it.
She
She didn't deny it.
thought that was funny.
She didn't deny it, did she?
That's not my
Bill,
business.
I'm
No,
Fitly.
Who the
Fitly.
Fitley?
Whoa, that sounds weird.
Okay, so for a pyramid, we got 1/3 base times height. How are we gonna find the area of the base?
Base.
1/2 apostrophe.
Right. So more specifically, it's
She's
1/3.
laughing.
Shh, 1/2
Emily,
apothem
stop
triangle.
laughing.
Hush. Okay, so what is the apothem on this one?
I got you, Jimmy.
Quiet.
I like that.
6.
Okay, how are we gonna find the perimeter on this one?
8 times 5.
You don't know.
8 times 5. 8 times 5, so it's 40. What's the height?
The height is 20.
20.
20.
You're still drawing.
I pay my bills. My bills are paid.
I'm not the baby, you're the one that's the baby.
You don't gotta be a big baby about it.
Grow up. You first.
I am grown up, I the fact that we all know that's crazy.
Tommy and last
I
size
pay
points,
my bills. My
Amy.
bills are paid.
You don't know
Tommy and
how
last
it
name.
is.
There's stuff that you can do.
You want to be a big baby about it.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not done.
Hush, hush, hush.
I'm not done with 13.
There's,
Right.
there's
We don't
14.
care. We're moving on.
You don't need to draw the pictures.
Yes, you do.
Just
If I want to do well on this test, yes, I do.
do
Guys,
the
I
stuff.
don't study.
That's how you study.
I don't even
You
study. I'm
literally
really good.
have
If
them
you
up
want to
there.
know what the question is, you're going to need the picture to go with it.
That's
Right,
fact.
but I mean, you
Just
literally
go through the
have them
video.
up there.
Oh, thank you, Mr.
There's something
Jordan.
about writing it
It's like
Yeah, go through the video and write it down.
down.
No, you have to waste our time.
That's
yes. See, you get it, Jason.
This is why we're not a welder, Mr. Jordan. And it's like,
Guys, I am a welder. I welded one time. I did. Never said it was good.
never again will I ever. But I did one time, so I didn't even welder.
What's the? Oh, 8 times.
Are you done? Fill a balloon.
No.
I'm not trying to be rude, but
How do you find this?
Try being my silent.
You don't know how. Idiots.
Mr. Jordan, have you watched Thousand Pound Sister?
There are things you can't do if you want to be a big baby
I'm
about
not the one that's the baby.
Have you seen Mr. Jordan?
No.
It's like these two sisters that are like 500 pounds.
it. Grow up.
they have a show that's
Okay.
600 pounds.
Alright, any ideas how we can figure out 14 out?
Yes.
Yes.
Riding in a car.
You plug it into the spirit volume.
Okay, 15 pi over 2 inches cubed would be the what of the balloon? Volume. Volume. Because it fills the balloon, that means it's inside the balloon. Also, it's inches cubed, so it's the volume. So if we set that equal to the volume formula, we can work backwards to figure out what
Oh no.
The radius is 6.3.
the radius must have been.
6.3.
So how do we solve this for r?
Pi cancels out.
If you divide by pi, that would go away. What else?
Robinson folded last night.
Multiply it by 4/3.
2.
How do I get rid of the 4/3 here?
Divide.
No, you multiply.
Oh, you flip it and multiply.
Okay, 4/3 is multiplied to r, right?
You couldn't do the 2.
4/3 is multiplied to r cubed. We're trying to get r by itself to solve for r.
Oh, so you divide.
So you divide by 4/3. How do you divide by 4/3?
You flip it.
Flip and multiply. Now, you could plug in divide by 4/3, but that's the same thing as times 3/4.
I actually got it right for once.
So 3 times 15, that'll be 45 over 4 times 2, 8.
But you can't do the divide by 4/3.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, yep, it's going to be 6.3.
Okay,
Wait, I put
how do we solve this for r? Right. What's the opposite of cube?
Square root.
Cube root.
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be on the test tomorrow.
Come on, I'll just fail. You don't know how it is.
Get that part.
My bills are.
You guys didn't know cube root was opposite of a cube.
No.
Emily would be the type of person to laugh at a pin falling. Bro, she's laughing at the thought of it.
No, I'm not.
Picture of piece of bread that's just like standing up.
What?
And it's like standing for the longest time and it just goes
Like this, you know, like,
like
you got it, and then just like,
no
This is the
warning.
bread.
No warning. It's just
This
like,
is the bread.
Alright. Did anybody plug in the calculator?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
What'd you get?
1.8.
1.8.
I rounded to the, I got 1.77844665
1.8, 1.78, something like that.
What happens if we don't round?
Emily,
Because-
That's gonna be on
Would
the
it be-
test tomorrow?
It would just be inches, right?
Yeah.